What's up guys? So nice to see you back here on my channel. My name is James and I am a puzzle creator. Finally took some time to make this. It's called The Book of Fire. It's my newest and I think my best puzzle box. Yeah, really stoked to show it to you guys, so let's just go for it. So this is the box. It's made almost entirely out of wood. I have a layer of acrylic plastic in here and it's held together by some bolts and nuts. I've got some nice bending wood over here, which is also made with the use of a laser cutter, and the back is just plain simple. Nothing really going on. If you listen closely, there's something that rolls inside, and we have a switch over here which doesn't seem to do anything. We got a fire emblem on the top. I'm just gonna show you after the spoiler break how it works. So if you want to know the answer, stay tuned. If you don't, please take some time to pause the video and think about the solution.
I want to take this time to tell you guys about this video sponsor, Bricscat. Bricscat is a 3D modeling software which I use to make the model of this puzzle box. It's an easy and user-friendly software. If you want to try it out, you can get a free 30-day trial with the link in the description. So go check it out now.
Alright, so it's called The Book of Fire for another reason than just the emblem on top. So for this box I ordered some thermochromic stickers, and thermochromic materials change their color when the temperature changes. In this case it changed from black to transparent at about 26-30 degrees. So I have a layer of thermochromic sheet beneath the transparent plastic layer, and if you heat it to 30 degrees it reveals the puzzle that's beneath it. So what you first have to do is you have to warm it up, and I didn't want to use any external tools, so it is possible. So it is possible to heat it up like using your body heat, your breath, or hold it between your legs. But to show you a quick way of doing it, I'm gonna take you guys outside and just put it in the sun. Yeah, let's go outside. I'm gonna fast forward the video a little bit because it takes, I think, about 2-3 minutes before it becomes fully transparent, which it is becoming right now. And if you look closely, you can see a puzzle revealing itself. On the next part, I'm going to use a version without the thermochromic sticker, just for you guys, so it becomes more clear what the puzzle beneath looks like. We have a ball here. There are 3 compartments, and you have to get the ball all the way down here to open the lock. Right now, nothing happens. Okay, so let me see if I can do it. Ooh, on camera. Oh, nailed it. And when the ball is there, you can open the box.
Okay, right now I'm trying to get the ball in the right position. It's still in one of the 3 compartments. When the ball is not in the right position, the acrylic part which locks the box isn't able to move, which you can see right about now. However, when the ball is in the right position, the box can be opened. The wooden part then grabs the ball, which pushes the acrylic to the right, like this. The cool thing about the locking mechanism is that the acrylic part is also working as a spring, due to the way it's been cut. This has to do with the mechanics of the material, and you can see it really well from this angle. So that's what the inside looks like and how the mechanism works.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the puzzle and the solution.